Good morning. I am here in Safety Harbor at Folly Farm Nature Preserve. This was a working horse farm when I moved here into the area 10 or so years ago, and it is now a city park that has a butterfly garden, an orchard, some other neat stuff to look at, walking trails. So join me, walk with me on this beautiful Saturday morning in Safety Harbor. These are the community gardens where people can work in their gardens, and we can look, but we cannot touch their stuff, which makes sense. Of course, this building right here used to be the stables for the farm when it was a farm. Several communities in Florida have community gardens. It's a rather popular thing, and you rent your little plot of garden space and plant whatever it is that you want. So you'll see lots of different things planted in these plots. And then those folks come out and harvest their gardens and feed their families. It's great for folks who don't have a whole lot of space at home, or maybe live in a condominium and don't have anywhere where they can grow vegetables for themselves. Currently closed because of COVID-19. trail loop that we're going to be going down here, and I'm not sure how long it is, but it loops around a small pond and back over to the butterfly garden. Runs right back through in there. You can't see it very well on the film, but there it goes. Probably back to that little pond. These two trails, the lower one down there and the upper one up here, come back around to the same place. And we will explore all of it. There's a bunny. I'm gonna try and walk by without scaring him. Be used to people. Even the bunnies in my front yard dash out of there as soon as I walk out the front door. So this guy must be really used to people. We are going downhill and keeping an eye out down because, you know, we have snakes in Florida. We have a lot of them. I have One time I was walking out on Honeymoon Island, thankfully with my dad, and I was looking up for osprey, and he stopped me before I stepped on a 5-foot eastern diamondback rattlesnake, which would have been really bad. So now we're going back to the lower trail. That's what this is. It looks like that is the quote-unquote pond back in there. It shows as a pond on that map you guys saw earlier, but there is not any, looks like you can't really see the water or get to the water. So it might just be low land or just a really teeny tiny pond at this point. That is this lower trail. Turn around and go back so we can keep going around. Oh, here you go. Florida native grapevines. There, this guy right there. All right, let's go back. Let's continue, I should say, back on this lower trail and continue along to the butterfly garden. This stuff right here, by the way, this is Brazilian pepper. Highly invasive right here, this Brazilian pepper. So if you have it in your yard, I know it has cute little red berries, but get rid of it. Some people call it Florida holly also. Here's some more of it. It needs to be gone. Banana trees. Get in too close. Pretty little flower. Oh. There's the pond. You can't really see it very well. It's more like slimy water. We did find it. Woohoo! Here it is on the other side. Here's the playground from the backside. And here is the butterfly garden coming into now. I think I'm the only person here right now, which is awesome. I mean, I like to see people enjoying these places, but I also like to have them to myself. Tree. That one looks like a citrus. A little information about monarch butterflies. Cute mailbox. Information, lots of information. There's several sheets in there. Shamsi Art Reach. That's awesome. Shamsi is the Safety Harbor Art and Music Center in downtown Safety Harbor. These bricks, these are really neat. Butterfly garden. More plants. These are not necessarily native plants, but they are plants that are not invasive and which will attract the butterflies. So, for instance, Mexican heather is not native to Florida, but it will attract the butterflies. This stuff here is red salvia. I have that in my yard. Love it. Birds love it, or the bees and the butterflies love it. There's a friend up top. Oh, he's gone. Lots of bees in here. If you're allergic to bee or wasp stings, you probably want to stay away. So that is, oh, this is some of my favorite grass over here. That is Folly Farms Nature Preserve in Safety Harbor. If you're in the area or you live out here, come out and take a walk. Thanks for joining me.